Like I always say, I'm in my house, come and beat me. Why are you? Bomb me and I. Bomb me and I. Isha. I'm not talking to the responsible one. Irresponsible one, that is the people I want to talk to. When you have problem with that, come to my house and come and beat me. Isha. Bomb me and I. Bomb. Because I don't see all of them, I don't cry now. I don't cry for them. The irresponsible one, don't they cry. The responsible ones now, they go learn from this one now. How than the one where they forget. They'll use her tail. Come and beat me. No sense. So you can't get this our sister. Oh. And she be single mother with 2 children. One are 5 years in it. The other one could be 4 years in it. Could be 4 years. So she says she can't go party. Oh, party. Banan, bang, bang, banan, bang, 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 banan, bang, he say he can't go party. Oh, he go party with her friend. So she can't leave Pikin for his friend. He best friend. Let me say friend. He can't leave Pikin for friend. As he can't leave Pikin for friend now. Now they say, you know that transfer camp, when they transfer people go, not be camp, that transfer semi house. So they did the same camp together. Not be a draw camp, they did the same camp together. So call leave Pikin for a neighbor there. Now a friend too. Now she can't come out for 3 days though. She go party for 3 days. And she can't go party for 3 days. If 4 years old child where he dey, he called they sick. As he called they sick now, if friend won't call you do the worst, if friend not call her. If friend not call her, Pikin no where. I bet my people, what is the friend supposed to do? Not be to call the friend, say, oh, my friend though. I beg go, your Pikin they sick in it. Come and carry your Pikin. Share. Now be said they're supposed to do it. No, the friend not call. Now the friend your ru cracky van. If friend your ru cracky van. Pikin is sicky. Pikin is sicky. Now I cracky van. Emergency call carry Pikin. Emergency they carry Pikin. Cranky house. Oh bang. When he reached out years, because said that they live together, the issue could go social worker. The girl could go tell social. Now not say cap now they get social worker. Now they get social worker. Una they get social worker. She not say na naki she go do Israel. Where's you are welcome. Not be naki na party she go party. Not be naki she go for party. So. Now she call the matter na go reach social worker. And I know say that they get social for camp. He can't go social worker. Now social worker call sister sister Janet. Now call social worker call sister Janet. Where they work not be you get them. The one way they work for a hand for them. So before she call, you know the story now. Anything that happens. And they always tell now the social or that the doctor or the teacher can never lose his or her license for you because you are being stupid. They will never lose their license for you. They are doing their job. Now a social worker ring to you get up. It is normal. Because it's their job, they have to report. So now a social worker write you, your rig. You get them to he get one mother when you abandon the children for 3 days, leave for friend only. And the Pikin now they sick, they cranky house. Oh, trust our people. Social welfare, wonderfully made. When do you get call Sister Janet don't come? Sister Janet come. When Sister Janet come? I'm moment. I have to. Maybe review at me what I cannot remember. Please call me. Because now at me they give this work. Now, me, they call low. Trust our people. Vate, ich komme. No, she not go knack. Not be knack. She not go knack. Now the truth I dey tell now, she not go knack. She not go knack today. Not be knack, she go for. She only went for 3 days party and leave Pikin for a knack barry. Call leave Pikin for knack barry, oh. So, a knack barry. When do you get out cup? A knack barry leave Pikin for, oh. So, he can't leave, he can't. Now she can't come back, oh. Next page, a page you boom. Page you boom. Story. The sweetest part is coming. Case one. When Sister Janet come, now she go, she dey live for Munich. Now she dey stay Munich. So she dey stay in the main Munich. And the friend they stay for Bangborg. Who know that place? Bandborg. Who know Bandborg? I don't know where they call Bandborg. I don't know anywhere for Germany too much. Where is Bandborg? Bandborg. Before she from Munich, come Bandborg. Now he social worker call you get up. When he come, now you get call and say, Sister Janet, Vovas do. Where were you? Where your Pikin was the cranky house? You were nowhere to be founded. You were nowhere to be founded. Now, sister, not talk. Is there? Say when she reach the hospital. Say when she reach the hospital. Now, they tell her and say, okay, Pikin come out. So that time away, not well, oh. Now you get out and say, write and letter, Sister Carol. Not Sister Carol. The last one was Sister Carol. This one is Sister Janet. Okay, Sister Janet, come, you know. Now Sister Janet, you come go, you get out office. Now you get out and say, Sister Alpha, where you go now? Wait here, happen. Now Sister Carol say, how dare you get out? How dare you get out? Now wait till she talk and they tell you so. She say she made them. She made them. She quoted them say, he no get right to take comot for us again. Wait, that she no get right to take comot for us again. Say they too the control person for this country. How dare you get and tell and say where she go? He said now he said they say he go party. He go help one of his friend when they sick. Now he go greet. Now when the friend when they sick, now he go help. Now they say, Now one of the friend when you they now you go there, they tell us, okay. This one at the last time, at the next time, we give you. I beg, next time when you they carry your Pikin, when you they go anywhere, Sister Janet carry your Pikin for nobody. Okay? Carry your Pikin for nobody, or you come and tell us, see, we will help you to hold it. May you go beleke you way, and you go beleke you way, oh, beleke you way. But maybe listen, Sister Carol life for dear show. Sister Carol not still tell us the truth. It be like Sister Carol go shop one shot for a game view. You understand? Okay, oh. Oh. So he never see to take there, oh. Sister Carol come out. He call Sister Janet. Mommy and Sister Carol. A Sister Janet come out, he can go give a friend, another friend, the 2 children again. This time, now 1 week Sister Carol come out, he say go greet boyfriend. He say go greet boyfriend. Now boyfriend, she say she go greet. 1 week. Sister Janet saying go greet boyfriend, oh, can't go greet boyfriend. As she go greet boyfriend, huh? He did 2 days for dear. Now him friend, abi 3 days, him friend call her. Sister Janet, your pikin hand they pay now. I don't know what they do. Your pikin hand though. For Sister Janet's friend, the other friend to tell Sister Janet say, as your pikin they play, he fall, he hand get it be like say he not put her for good position where Sister Janet's friend not tell her. You see back friend also. Sister Janet's friend not tell her. He called your test Sister Janet say he hand they pay now. He hand they pay now. He say she cut his say now. No, I beg you, not the apple as in he not too hard like that, no problem. Now only come on hard now they pay now. Now come on hard they pay now problem. Not everywhere good. Ah, he said the next day. Now he friend serial call him again, right? And sister, madam, your pikin and get it day. It no make sense. It they swallow. He say he no too reason and say na very big deal. Now very big deal. Say he cause say naughty they happen. Okay? So if friend cause you and say the thing don't too much, the pikin they cry, they cry, they cry. You know when pikin dislocate hard now, you know what that kind of pain is. If they cry, now if friend carry pikin go crack here say oh boy. Sister Beleka you Beleka you Sister Beleka you Beleka you oh baba ije me ugege oh ugege ugege oh ije me nije ugege. He say when they carry pikin reach cracky house, now I thought of pikin house friend say, where cracky card? Sister Carol not leave hospital card for pikin for grand. He leave pikin for friend. He carry hospital card. He carry follow body. Hey, Sister Janet, Sister Noka Sedonia. He carry pikin leave for grand. He no remember say hospital cards, yellow book. That yellow book where you take they play like the way it is say not there important. He not leave on follow pikin. He carry this thing, he carry all of them, he carry follow body, he leave pikin. Now doctor say, Madam friend, I beg, where is the hospital card? Madam say mama not leave on. My doctor say no problem. I beg my daughter, Madam, I beg, you know what which kind thing the pikin be like? You know when you go hospital, pikin they sick. Doctor has 30 questions, and it's only the mother who can answer that question. I beg when you are a mother, say, Ebony, I can understand you. I can understand you. So you know, doctor must ask you, the pikin they shop, he body hot, how it take grow. In fact, the people ask how you take body pikin self. You know all those kind of questions where it not make sense when doctor they ask mercy when you carry pikin go hospital. Now they call the ask sister friend oh. Sister Janet friend they sharp no. We say you don't know anything. Say na him friend oh, he leave pikin. You don't call your friend. He said the friend say, say you not too important. You they see friend. You they see friend. If friend say not very important oh. Ah. Now daughter, they cannot lose their license because of some people's stupidity. Now that to roof you get at hand. Waiting at they call beg, waiting at they call them again. Who know this city again, Knockman? Which city I call it? Bandbog. Who have idea of Bandbog? Oh, he said now those daughter rig. You get out. You get out for Bandbog. Oh, not be for Munich where she they stay. Oh, not be there the roof. Oh, there is a child here which a lady brought to our cranky house, and this lady is she said she's not the owner of the child, it's for the friend. Aha. Now they say when the mother is nowhere to be found, and cranky cat will not even know anything about the pikin. I use my God beg una do you people have idea? Una not saying everything where doctor they write, they always write it is in the computer. And the assertive people can just go inside. Click, back, 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 back. everything about the pikin, both the immunization, everything go come out to a side computer. Share to me, welcome to Europe system. Thank you. So, is there now you get and say, hey, Martha, are you people kidding me? As in mama na if record mama, your pikin don't dey cracky ass, so he no fit to, in the fear, he no want me anything happen to the pikin, no. Your pikin dey cracky ass, so he say na the woman run, kitty, say that night from Munich where she for where he go to bege bogu. Say reach there, kri igbe. Bambeg, no anama, Bambeg, no anama, what I boni. Bangebeg, Bambeg, okay, no Bambeg, okay, Bambeg, Wagegui, I don't know anywhere, Wagegui, Bambeg, Vanyojo, Vanyojo, okay, when you care, Munich, can not join a Bambi begini, a bangi begini. They do that, you call this cranky ass when the friend tell and say put pikin. As read the cranky ass, now they tell sister Janet say your pikin had dislocated and everything was bandaged. Ukraka. So now she say everything is alles clear, everything don't do okay. In the go out so sister called the Vanagate, a big Ganavate. How now they speak the English? Vanagate. Call yours, you sue some of them. Nya is a bugwa with social media now. She some sigomota. Ya is a bugwa. Nya is a bugwa. Is there Sister Carol? Sister Janet? Sister Carol was the last time. Sister Janet come boy so he said nothing the apple. When she after 2 years now she make this mistake again. Oh. The first one when I talk was 2 years ago. December last year. August, September, October, now this one happened. So this second one I heard they talk. So the other one when I go 3 days, but it was 2 years ago. Then this one when happened now was last year. Was last year now it happened. So he said he called the house. So I say the house now. After few weeks, now you get aunt write a letter for where she they stay for Munich. You understand? Now the writer for Munich, no. You get to a day city call writer, be sister. Hey mama no cast or don't knock go where. Sister Janet Alpha now. People from Bimborg, Abi Bobogog. The you get there called us our attention to your children. Now he say, Isha, wait till the apple say now they say, okay, oh. Say she get case when she call you get her. Now sister Carol, no, sister Janet call go you get her. When she go you get her. Now you get her call remember and say, sister, can you vividly remember 2 years ago? This kind of incident also happened. You see some of una. You see some of una. One they talk say, it no matter, the record is clean. I cry for una, oh, oh, I cry for una, oh. Anything you make, any day you do anything related to that, they will remember you. See, nothing in this Europe is wiped out. No. After 10 years, they can still bring it out for you. Now they say they talk every time. Una know they get word. Una know do your word. Say then they say, Sister Janeto, did you still remember vividly what happened 2 years ago? Now she say yes, so she can remember. Now they say, now you don't repeat her again. Sister Carol, where you go this time? Sister Carol, Sister Janet not see what you talk. Sister Janet, tell us the reason why you leave children for 1 week. 1 week. You come out where you go. Sister Janet don't say anything talk. Sister Janet might come there. I might date finish. I might date. Oh God. Oh. Let's play this music again. Ew. Iya me bo ma me bo iya la bebo. Esi go moda magube understand iya la bebo iye o. Sorry ame o iya la bebo. O gbegbe. O gbegbe. Gbegbe. O. Ije me. Iya la bebo. Iya la bebo. Iya la bebo. Esigo modaso. Esigo modaso. Oh. 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 Iya la bebo. 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 Oh. Et c'est ça la bebo. Et c'est ça qui la bebo. Mami keta where you can hear you after you done la bebo, you don't waka finish. Sister Carono, Sister Janet not talk with where she go. Now they remember and say, you tell us, Ebony, last time say, now your friend you go greet last time 2 years ago. I bet where you call go this time? She start saying, no, you know what he talk. I met they side. She said, Jesus. She never seriously give again. Then she go met, then she said, Then the girl tell her, say, okay, we go give you Don Adroma your welcome. We go give you family hair fan. Family hair fan. Now no take EPA. Social worker. They go say Sister Janet, we won't give you social worker. Sister Janet say if you try and down. Wait till they use social worker they do. Wait till you won't call use social worker can they do. You know they collect any social worker. They can go away with their social worker. You know they carry. Una know say children welfare not like that thing. Now you don't take their hand. Now you don't find trouble. Now you put a lot maggi and salt for soup, pack pepper inside. The thing now don't spoil. Now you see they talk say you not go test that soup. My sister, you go test her. My sister, you go test us and now you go chop her belly full. Nobody else go give you make you chop her. They born you way. When you don't cook soup for ground. Soup where you pack pepper, put, pack salt, put. Pack onions, put. Pack maggi, put. This food now, you don't spoil it, not good again. You say you not go shop her, you go shop her. Because nobody else. Then she said she not go take her. Say beg, bag. Even if say God come down from heaven, she not they carry. As she reach us, now social worker has sent her letter. Say, you get at all say they won't give you social worker. Only once in a week, now the social worker want they come, not be every day. Only once in a week, make they come, they check the children, make they know how they take care of the children, whether everything they okay with the children. And if they come, maybe they to take 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. Sister not grew, Sister Janet not grew. So, trust you get out now. They not come bother Sister Janet. They not come bother Sister Janet. Sister Janet got the stroll. He got the stroll. You see outside the stroll now? Sister Janet got the stroll for streets. He dey stroll for streets. She dey stroll for streets. She dey stroll for streets. Say nothing they happen. And the boss in Deutschland. Nothing they shelle. Nothing they shelle. He never take for there na cut right and letter Bezia. Can't cut right my sister letter or Sister Janet. As the write a letter na cut so ya regardez là-bas. Your case don't reach our hand for court. Na sister say wetin come happen when case don't reach court. Some of us, it be like say we dey live in the back of Deutschland. Some of us Me like say, would they live for the back of Deutschland? I always tell people, don't be so like this, because there is law in this country. Now maybe they talk, say, I don't have time to brr. I will use the law, because there is a law here. And the law is not funny. Ha! Huh? Now the lawyer calls, court can say, my friend, after 2 months, now I court send a letter. After 2 months, now I court send a letter. She don't eat, forget to pay. Now they tell her, say 2 years for Jama is just 2 days. So that 2 months now just 3 hours, 2 hours for them. 2 hours later to them, now 2 hours later. 2 months later, and they write Sister Janet for court. Say, Janet, they come home. When she call reach court, now Judge court say, my sister, you are a very careless mother with the story I've seen and I've heard. You are a very careless mother. Okay, oh. He said this issue, they say it don't fair happen 2 years ago. That was 3 days. You move out of the